Most people think taking a company to court over a bad refund costs more than the refund itself. In India, for most consumer disputes, that's simply not true anymore, and almost nobody knows the actual process is built to be done without a lawyer. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 covers a wide range of disputes, defective products, deficient services, unfair trade practices, and even e-commerce complaints against online sellers. So a delayed flight refund, a builder who didn't deliver a flat on time, or a faulty phone that the brand refuses to replace, all qualify. Here's a composite example to illustrate it. Imagine a man in Mumbai orders a smartphone worth 45,000 rupees online. It arrives with a cracked screen, and the seller stalls for 2 months without a replacement or refund. That's a textbook deficiency of service case, and it doesn't need a civil suit. It goes straight to the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Filing itself is genuinely accessible. For claims up to 5 lakh rupees, there's no court fee at all. Above that, fees are still modest, scaling with the claim amount. For example, around 400 rupees for claims between 5 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees. You can file online through the e-Daakhil portal, run by the Department of Consumer Affairs, from your own home. Honestly, most people get the jurisdiction wrong before they even file. District commissions handle claims up to 50 lakh rupees, state commissions handle 50 lakh rupees to 2 crore rupees, and the National Commission handles anything above that. Filing in the wrong forum just gets your case transferred, wasting months. Realistic timeline: the law says district commissions should decide a case within 3 to 5 months if no testing of goods is needed, 5 months if it is. In practice, in busier commissions like Delhi or Bangalore, expect 6 months to over a year depending on the backlog. That gap between the law on paper and the wait in practice is the part nobody tells you upfront. Before the full hearing, most commissions push mediation, and separately, Lok Adalats run periodically to settle disputes quickly through mutual agreement rather than a full trial. A Lok Adalat settlement is final and can't be appealed, and honestly, for smaller claims, say, under 25,000 rupees, it's often the fastest path to actually getting paid rather than winning a moral argument in a slow-moving hearing. Now here's the contrarian point: consumer court compensation is often overrated in people's imagination. Courts award the refund or repair cost, plus reasonable compensation for mental agony and litigation costs, but massive punitive damages are rare. A realistic range for a smaller product dispute is the refund amount plus somewhere between 5,000 rupees and 25,000 rupees in compensation, not a life-changing payout. To file, you'll need proof of purchase, any written complaints you already sent the company, and a clear statement of what relief you want: refund, replacement, or compensation. Keep every email and chat transcript with customer service. That correspondence often matters more than the original invoice once the case is actually heard. The single most useful thing to remember: for most everyday disputes under 5 lakh rupees, filing costs you nothing. You can do it yourself through e-Daakhil, and keeping your written complaints is what actually wins the case. If you want more clear, honest breakdowns of Indian law like this, subscribe for more.